Okay, let's get started. So,
Don't do that.
hello, I am Papa.
Hello, guys. Welcome to Summer Showdown. As you all know, my name is Lana, and I'll be your host. It's called this game of fashion survival. Me and play as the contestants will form your style with these challenges.
Okay, you deserve a 10 for this introduction. Shall we begin?
Yes. Now go to the studio. This is the studio dressing room for us. Now, wait. Let me go to my salon first. How you want to do some math nails today? Your nails
You
are
didn't tell us about the theme, Ryan.
the theme is Papa, wait, I will say you cannot do your nails because you're Papa, go outside and let me ask you the challenges out for lunch. That means I will all the salon will be shut down.
Okay, where are you? I
Mom,
don't see you. Ah,
Papa,
you're
let me
here.
say one.
Okay, I'm staying outside.
You cannot do your hair in your face, but you can do your skin tone except for your skin.
Okay. Oh, I found it. So, what is the theme? You didn't tell me about the
The
theme.
theme is fashion diva.
Huh. Can we have a different theme? Yesterday we had Fashion Diva.
Oh, out for lunch.
What
Theme
is
is
it?
out for
Out
lunch.
for lunch. Okay, out for lunch. How much time do I get?
You get like 2 minutes and 20 seconds. Let me count out the
2 minutes,
20 seconds.
20 seconds. We're just starting. Give me some time to breathe.
Okay.
Out for
Let
lunch.
me count out the first timer. That's 20 seconds.
Okay, out for
20,
lunch.
98, 70, 60, 50,
So I'm going out for lunch. What do I need when I go out for
You
lunch?
need a snack.
Uh, is there something for snack? Let me
Go
get dressed first. Should I wear something casual? Okay,
you
something brownish looks better.
like why do you wear food, bro? Why do you put on a food like coffee?
Okay, hold on. Let me think. Let me think.
Let
When
me
I go
count out
out
the
for
20,
lunch,
20, 90, 80, 70, 60, 50, 40, 40,
mm, probably something like
5,
this.
10, 9, 10, 9,
Yeah,
10,
looks
20,
cool.
20 seconds. 20,
Out
90,
for
80,
lunch. Should I
70,
wear? Okay,
60,
this
20,
one looks good.
40, 30, 10,
Out
oh,
for lunch.
11,
What should I take
9,
with me? Is
8,
there a
7,
basket or
6,
something?
5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0, and 20 seconds.
I don't know.
20, 90, 40, 30,
What should I take with me?
12,
Probably
10,
an apple.
9,
I'm eating a
8,
healthy.
7, 6, 5,
It's Ryan. Wait, let me change.
4, 3, 2, 1. Go on the fashion show.
Ryan, it wasn't 2 minute 20. Was it 2 minute 20 already? Are you
Yeah,
sure?
it's 1 minute. I'm sitting to vote you right now.
How can you be that sure? Okay, I'm coming.
I'm
Where are
sure.
you?
I'm not on the runway. Go to the fashion show. Walk to the fashion
Okay,
show.
here I come. Dun, la, 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 la. Okay, some poses.
Why you don't use 428?
Wow, I got 10 out of 10. Oh, I'm so happy.
Summer showdown is the challenges medium. That means you cannot see any colors at all, and you cannot see any colors, and it will be desaturated. So you cannot see any colors. You cannot see any colors,
Okay,
and the real theme is fashion. The real theme is fashion.
just fashion. Okay, fashion, and I can't see any colors. Fashion, and I can't see any
Why
colors.
do black and white? They have
I
colors.
can't see colors, right?
You can see black and white because they have colors too.
Ah, yeah.
Why you put on black and white?
I'm not. Okay, maybe this should be. Okay, I'm gonna need to wear something like a top.
How you want to
Mm.
do batty nails? I can do your sleigh batty nails today. Today you need batty nails because I know you're tired to go do batty nails today. Papa,
Hold on. Can I get a skirt or shorts or
Papa, can you be my one name in the dress room press video? I cannot take it anymore.
Hmm?
I there, everyone is upset for the dress to impress studio, and I cannot do everyone's nails. So can you help me be my one nail floater today? Maybe you can do hair or faces.
Okay, hold on. Let me put my skirt
Can you wear
on.
my outfit?
Skirt on.
Papa, why you don't wear my bunny hair too? Because it's also brown.
But I can't see colors, right?
But you need to be my one nail floater.
Where are you?
I'm in the salon.
Okay.
Dun, dun,
Oh,
dun,
no,
dun.
no, no. Hello.
Hello, Papa.
Want to get my nails done.
Hello.
I want. Can
Hello,
I?
you like my sleigh sitting? I'm sitting in the chair.
Is that you? Are you sure that is you?
Yes,
Oh,
it's
but we only get 20 seconds, then they kick
yeah,
us. I didn't know that.
because
Okay,
if you
a
take
random color, because I am color blind.
a random, but you can see colors, right?
Hmm.
Buy.
Let me collect some
Goodbye,
money.
Papa. Oh, I forgot this.
This is
Okay,
it? But who wins? Let's go.
okay, now go to the runway.
Doot,
Go.
doot, 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 doot. This is fashionable, but I can't see what color it is. Dun, 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 dun. Oh, am I getting a 10 out of 10?
Yes.
Wow, lucky me. Okay, let me pose. Let me show some poses. Okay, dun, dun, dun. Some more poses. Confident, sleek, jewel, magica. Okay, enough posing. Okay, who the winner is?
No, no time for that. It's not the time yet. Time for the last round.
There's another round.
Yes, the last round. That's the last round.
Okay,
Okay, now when you walk this along, the round theme is flowers.
flowers.
Flowers, nature flowers. You can do nature or flowers.
So the round theme is nature and flowers, right?
Yes.
Okay, how much time do I get? A lot of flowers. I should have flowers all over. Flowers, flowers,
How about
flowers,
you want to?
more flowers, flowers
The challenge
around.
is you cannot have any eyes on your own.
Okay, I won't. More flowers.
And I know you change your mind every
And
second.
I need the
Papa, do you want to
flowers
do your
pattern.
nails? You want to do your nails?
Wait, let me get more flowers. And of course, if you like flowers, that means you
Papa,
are an angel.
Papa, you want to do your nails?
Hold on,
Yes.
let me get more flowers.
Papa, today I got the DTI doll, a fake DTI
Hold on.
doll, in my house. Papa, so Papa,
More flowers, yeah?
Papa, the company of DTI dolls gave me one DTI doll.
Mm.
They, when I looked at it, Lana. Kidding, I just made a fake Lana doll.
Uh,
I'm intelligent. Papa, you want
You
to do your
are.
nails? Do your nails, Papa. Do your
Wait
nails.
one last second. Let me wear a skirt or
Hey,
something
your
that is flowery.
nails.
Okay, this skirt
Papa,
and more flowers.
your nails.
Okay, I can do my nails as well. Where is Lana?
Lana's right over here at the
Oh, and
salon.
there is Lana's
Hey,
doppelganger.
I don't have a nose anymore. I just
Okay,
have a
more
nose.
flowers on my nails.
Papa, do you like me sit on the
Batty
chair?
nails.
Do you like me sit on the chair? I'm sitting.
Yeah, I'm having a blast. I'm having a lot of fun. Like we are playing together as a team, but you're not playing. I just see you standing around.
I'm
What are
I'm
you doing?
I'm sitting on the chair. I just broke
More flowers, roses.
Papa, do you
Give
like
it
me?
style.
Papa, you like me? I'm sitting on the chair with
Ryan, how much
flowers.
time is left?
20 seconds and 20. Oh, 1 minute and 20 seconds.
One
I
minute
mean
and 26 seconds.
no, I mean not 26. That's so much time. Okay, if you finish, I'll finish. Go to the room now because I think you'll finish.
More flowers all over.
Contestants, when they're finished, pretend that you
Here I come.
how you
Where is Lana? Lana, where are
oh
you?
couldn't see you.
I believe I can fly. Okay, I can't fly.
Go on the runway.
Hello. Okay, some poses, some sleek poses. Jewel chic, confident, Magica. Oh, I love this one. Magica, more Magica. And who the winner is? Let's go there.
Go to the
Ollie.
podium. The podium.
Okay,
Now go on first place. Go on first place. Go on first place.
first. Okay.
Okay. The fir- the first the the first stars is Papa. The second stars is C. The first stars is B.
And who's the
And
winner?
the
The win.
winner of Summer Showdown is Papa.
Yeah, I won! I won! Hooray! 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 Okay, let's say goodbyes for the YouTube video. That
Goodbye.
was our show today.
That was your show today.
See you later. Hold on. This one and then